Hey, it's Anissa. So today's video, I'm going to be talking about sunflower oil, benefits that it has, how I've been using it in my hair routine lately. This actually was recommended to me by a subscriber, so shout out to you. You know who you are. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. It's at Anissaduzit. Subscribe to my channel, like this video. Also, don't forget to comment down below any other video suggestions you have, because I really do take it into account, and you guys do recommend some really cool stuff. Like, I didn't even know sunflower oil was a thing for your hair. But yeah, go ahead and keep on watching if you like to see how I use it. Alright, let's get into the video.
2:30, baby, won't you meet me by the beam? Too early, maybe later, you could show me things.
I never knew like sunflower oil was a thing for hair, but it did sound interesting to me, so I decided to try it out. I ordered mine on Amazon. It was pretty cheap. I can't remember exactly how much it was, but I remember it wasn't that much. This is the sunflower oil I bought. It's just by the Natural Solutions Sunflower 100% Pure Oil. This is what it looks like. I think the bottle is really cute, and I like how it was like, it's kind of orangey. Not really this color of sunflower really, but I do have a lot left. Like, a little bit goes a long way. So it says the suggested use is for body use as a face or body moisturizer, makeup remover, carrier oil, or as a base of DIY lotions. And for your hair, you can use it as a deep conditioning oil, shine serum, or add it to your favorite conditioner. So yeah, I didn't even know like you could use it on your skin. I haven't tried that yet just because I have sensitive skin, so I'm kind of scared too. Like, oh, I don't know, but I do want to try it maybe one day. I have been using it in my hair. I've been using it for probably like a month now. And I probably use it like twice a week. But as you see, I still have a lot left. Like, there's still like this much left, and I've been using it twice a week for a month. So I actually really do like it. So first I'm going to start by showing you guys the consistency of it. So it's actually way like more water than I thought it was, because I'm used to using Jamaican black castor oil. If you guys have used that, it's really thick and like dark and like, I don't know, it's way more thicker than this. This is literally like an oil, like it's watery. So this is the consistency. It's like literally water, and it's clear. I don't know why I was expecting it to be like a color, but it's literally just clear. This is what it looks like. Yeah, it feels really good too. It feels really like moisturizing, and like, see how much it spreads. It literally goes a long way. So the way I've been using it on like the 3rd or 4th day of my hair, because you guys know I wash my hair once a week. So by that time, my hair usually starts to get a little like dry and frizzy and old looking. So right now my hair is about a couple days old. I did put it in this hairstyle though, because the curls still look pretty good, as you see, but it does look kind of dry. Bro, this bodysuit, like the straps are so long, they always fall, so don't mind that if they keep falling. But my hair is kind of dry right now, so that's why I wanted to do this video today, because I want to show you how I use it. So I usually will style my hair first, just so like the oil isn't getting everywhere. So I'll style my hair first, and then at the end of my style, I'll apply the sunflower oil to it. So I'm just gonna get a little bit more, because I only put a little bit, just like a couple drops. Ugh. I have to rub my hands. See, look, it's literally so shiny. And I'll just apply it to my hair. Okay, I'm gonna get a couple more drops for the front. Ooh. So it's literally so easy. Like, that's literally all I do. I love how it's so easy, and I do put it on the front of my hair, even though it's gonna be touching my face. It hasn't broken me out or anything. I do like this oil. So I was reading up on the benefits of it, and the benefits are, it does help strengthen your hair, and it does help moisturize your hair, and those both are really important for hair growth. I know a lot of people that are subscribing to me and that watch my videos are really interested in helping their hair grow, and are interested in wanting their hair to grow and being more healthy. So that's why I wanted to go ahead and show you guys this sunflower oil, because it is something that you could use every day, since it is so lightweight, but it does make a big difference. Like, my hair looks way shinier now. It feels way better. I could even put more if I wanted to. It's something that you could literally, like, your hair just sucks it right up. And honestly, since it has so many uses, you could try it out yourself. For the makeup remover, I actually think I am going to try that, because I have been looking for a good makeup remover lately, because I have been wearing a little bit more makeup and like experimenting and stuff, which I do have a makeup tutorial coming soon, my first one, so stay tuned for that. And like I was saying, compared to like the Jamaican black castor oil and the other oils, it is a little bit on the thinner side, so it makes it easier for everyday use. It's not something so dramatic and something so like overpowering on your hair. Your hair literally sucks it right up. Well, mine does at least. So yeah, I think it would be a good thing for everybody, especially if they're transitioning, and especially if you suffer from dry hair, or if you're still searching for products that are good for your hair and help moisturize your hair. Like this keeps your hair looking shiny, keeps it looking healthy, and not just looking healthy, it helps it stay healthy or get to the health that you want it to be, because it keeps it really moisturized. So I still am using the Jamaican black castor oil though, but just this is another thing you can add to your curly hair routine to just bring it up a notch. Like, bring it up. Bring it. I think oils are really important, and I'm so happy that I have been using them in my hair routine and on an everyday basis. Like, I don't know what I would do without oils lately. So yeah, like I was saying, comment down below any other products you would like me to try. And I really do recommend this sunflower oil. You have to get this exact one. But yeah, I haven't really seen it in stores though. I'll link this one down below. This one I ordered on Amazon. So it'll be easier for you guys to find it. I knew they had like a bunch of different kinds on Amazon too. It's just the one I picked just because I like the packaging. But yeah, it does work. Go ahead, like this video, subscribe to my channel if you're not already. Don't forget to leave me a comment down below. Thank you guys so much. I'm so happy, and I've been way more consistent lately. I love making videos. Like, it's so fun for me. I've been getting a lot of DMs lately about videos, a lot of DMs about people asking for advice for their hair. So don't be afraid to reach out to me, you guys. I really love talking to you. And I mean that with everything in me. Like, I love when you guys respond to me. So go ahead, follow me on Instagram. It's at Anissaduzit. And I will respond to your DMs. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.